Okay, Hazebig here. I got my handy dandy Bee Pros right here. Anyway, today this video is for entertainment purposes to show you how it is to install a Kenda Trakmaster on the Sur Ron Light Bee's rear wheel. I have video installing the Kenda knobby on the other tire, on the front tire. So if you guys want to see that, check that video out. But this is the rear, and this is the Kenda Trakmaster that we're going to try to install. I went with the Trakmaster because it's kind of sort of like a paddle tire, and I feel like a paddle tire would be better for the rear. I'm trying to get what we got right here installed on the tire right now is the Kenda Trials tire. I think it's SR241 is the model number. It's a great, I'm going to say it's a great dual sport tire. It's not a really good dirt tire. It's not a really good loose terrain tire is what I'm going to say. I raced this in the Coyote Creek Enduro, and I had all sorts of problems with traction with it on the loose stuff. It wasn't grip. The front or the rear was not gripping. So we're going to try to fix that by installing a knobbier tire. And the tire I've chosen is the Kenda Trakmaster. It's cheap. It's durable. It's sort of durable. My KLX has chewed the crap out of it. It's the same tire that I run on my KLX for the rear. It is a dot knobby also, so it is street legal. I don't recommend riding with it on the street too long though. If you're going to be doing more pavement, I don't recommend this tire. This is a knobby tire. So I would recommend, if you're going to be doing more pavement riding, these Kenda Trials tires are better. They're great. It's a great pavement tire and like kind of okay for a dirt. I would say 70 off-road, 30 on-road is what I'm going to say. Where this is probably the opposite. This tire would be like a 70 off-road and 30 on-road is what I'm going to say. Because this is a real knobby tire, and that's the reason we're going to go with it. I have the Supermoto wheels for when I want to ride on the street, so I'm just going to swap them out when I want to go ride in the dirt, you know. And I know I can do some light dirt riding with the Supermoto wheels because I've done it before, and I was amazed at how well the Michelin Pilot street tires did on the dirt. I will tell you that now. But anyway, for hardcore dirt riding though, we're gonna go with Kenda Trakmaster. So this is like I said, this is for entertainment purposes only. It's not like a tutorial on how to install it, but just to see how it is to install this guy. So here we got my stock wheel. It has a 62 unicycle sprocket on it, and it has a trackside Super Duty rim lock on it. So this is going to be a little bit more difficult than the front. That's why I did it last. Alright, so let's get started. Take a look at your wheel real quick, see if everything is in order. I have an extra set of weights right here to counterbalance the rim. I have my rim lock right here. If you want to see a video on how to install rim lock, I have a video for that too. I will put that at the end of these videos. Alright, so next thing to do is install the tire. So there it is. It's a Kenda K760. It's also called the Trakmaster 2. It's a 70-119 or 2.5 19 inch tire. Hopefully these don't rub on the wheels. I hope not. It doesn't look like it's too much, but it does. It is definitely knobbier. I'm trying to see if there's any kind of direction to install these, because the other tires that we installed. Oh, there is. There's a circle with an arrow. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay, we're gonna go to a closer view here because this is the nitty gritty right here. So There is a kind of arrow here. It's an arrow with a circle. I don't know if that is a directional marker or anything. I don't think these are directional at all, but it's going this way, and the sprocket is on the right side of the bike. So that's the right direction already, if that is a directional marker. So we're going to go install it like this. All right, so yeah. So since we got the rim lock here, we're going to press the rim lock out here. Oh yeah, before we do that, let's go put some baby powder. It's old dirt biking trick. Put baby powder in the wheel, so it's more slippy. Okay. Hope I put the okay. So what we're gonna do is, I'm not gonna play around with this one, man. I'm gonna go lube up the bead. Shit, I sprayed my KLR. Okay. We're gonna try to press it on. We're gonna press it on where the rim lock is. So I'm gonna push the rim lock out and slip it in there. Try to get it out here. Press it on. Okay, that's how Hades Omega does it. I don't know how you do it, but that's the way I do it with the rim lock. It's just gonna be a pain in the ass to get it in there. Okay, so what we're gonna do is try to press it on as much as we can. Okay, and we're gonna have to get our friends the tire irons. Start spinning it on. And whammo, there we go. So I got half of it installed. Now we're going to go install our tube. Make sure this thing is tight. Where are we at? Here, okay. So the valve stem is here, so we're going to go install this. So I know how to baby powder the tube now. Oh wow, this is thick. This is a thick tube. This is gonna be a pain in the ass to install. Oh yeah, hold on. Before we do this, let's go get our little fishing tool. I'm gonna put our fishing tool in the hole from reverse. Ooh, it's hitting the other side of the bead, man. Take a tube, screw the fishing tool onto the valve stem, and now becomes the front part. Try to get this tube in here somehow. Thick tube, and it's a stiffer tire, so this is going to be definitely more difficult. Okay, you want to make sure you put it in the right place. Tube ain't crooked, man. Tool is worth every penny. Okay, so I'm going to unscrew it, and before I lose it, I'm going to put my nut back on. Whoa, it's in there really crooked too. Hopefully it straightens out. Okay, just put that on there a little bit so you don't lose it in there. So if you do, it's going to suck. You're going to have to go put it back in there again. Okay, we're going to go push our tube in here. Okay, so we're kind of where the rim lock is. I'm not sure the rim lock is all the way down, and you get the tube all the way on top of the rim lock, which is I'm having trouble doing it. I'm having trouble keeping the freaking tube over the rim. Okay, so I got the tube in there most of the way. Gonna tighten this a little bit. So I want to make sure the tube is on top of the rim lock. I want to hold the rim lock in as much as I can. Try to get. Oh my god, this is hard. Come on. Come on. Good. Trying to get it on top of the rim lock. So you don't want it to be. You don't want it to get pinched by the rim lock. That would be a no-go. Ouch. Fudge packer. This is really hard to work with. It's really narrow and it's really not friendly. Okay, we're okay. I think I got it on there. Let's see. All right, we want to tighten this a little bit so we can put some air in there. Put a teeny tiny bit of air in there. All this just to get more traction. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of air. Make sure none of the tube is pinched anywhere in there. Kind of about the rim lock. Maybe I should. All I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little more air in and let some out. Just to make sure everything's kind of seated in there properly. Okay. Oop. Yeah, I'm not happy. Yeah, it's kind of pinching. All right, hold on. I'm gonna turn this off first.